Hello, my beautiful Sharynzoo crew family. It is rocker time. Yes. This is when I take out Rocker and I just let him lay on his back and I pet him and rub his neck. He has horrible arthritis in his feet. He's like 27 years old. So he can't perch anymore. But he has a flat surface that he stands on in his house. Yes, Rocky baby. You love that? Hi, pretty kitty. Hi, pretty kitty. Yeah, I got Rocker here. I got Rocker here. You coming up? You coming up? Hi, you want to say hi to Rocker? You want to say hi to Rocker? So Rocker's my Quaker Parrot. I have two Quaker Parrots, Yessie and Rocker. But Rocky loves his out time and just being loved on like this. Yes, baby boy. He loves it. Does that feel good, sweetheart? Does that feel good? Does that feel good? All snuggled up in your blankie that mommy made. We got the ferrets out. They're in their playpen. Just having my coffee now and relaxing with my sweet baby boy. My sweet angel. Yes, Rocker. Yes, Rocker. You love this. I know you love this. Yes, you get your special time before I let all the other birdies out. They'll get all jealous that I have Rocker, so they'll come flying over to me and they won't leave Rocker alone. So I take Rocker out separately and give him his own special time. Right? So we hope you're all having a great Saturday. Enjoying yourself. We're doing whatever makes you happy. This is what makes me happy right here. This little bundle of feathers. This little bundle of feathers, yes. Look at this cute little foot. Look at this cute little foot. Yes, I know, you got arthritis. You got arthritis. Yes, sweetheart. Yes, baby boy. I love you. Oh, Rocker. Anyway, guys, we will see you soon. We just wanted to say hello and show you Rocker. Yesterday you saw Yessie in the video. He was on his perch eating some Cheerios. Same bird as Rocker. Yep. All right. We love you guys. Say bye-bye, Rock. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? Oh, Rocker. All right. Bye, guys. We love you.